This video tutorial I will explain parse method of JSON. Here you can see the client and here you can see the web server. From client machine we can convert JavaScript object to JSON and send the JSON to the web server. And from web server we can send JSON to the client. And using parse method of JSON we can convert JSON to JavaScript object and use it in the client side. The common use of JSON is to exchange data to the web server and to exchange data from the web server. And when receiving data from the web server, the data is always string. And using parse method of JSON, we can convert JSON to JavaScript object. Here you can see the example of how to parse the JSON. And here you can see the JSON. Name is John, age is 30, and city is New York. And here I am calling parse method of JSON and passing the JSON text. This method convert JSON to JavaScript object. Here you can see the Spring Boot application and here you can see the pom.xml file. Here you can see JSON demo text and it contains JSON text. Name is Peter, age is 31. And here you can see JSON parse.html. And here what I am doing is I am reading JSON demo.txt file and converting JSON text to JavaScript object using parse method of JSON and displaying the name and age. Here I have defined the class application, which is Spring Boot application. I am starting this Spring Boot application. Spring Boot application is started in 8080 port. Now I am going to send request to this path. Here I am alerting ready state and status. So ready state is 1, status is 0. Ready state is 2, status is 200. Ready state 3, status is 200. Ready state 4, status is 200. If ready state is 4 and status is 200, then whatever response text is there in the file, that will be parsed and converted to JavaScript object. And using JavaScript object, I am getting the name and age and displaying that. And here you can see we got the name and age from the text file, which is this one. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.